Anyways, I'm not bald headed. I have a cap on and a Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T here with another video. I know I'm looking crazy and you want to know why? This wig is not connected to my head. I put it back on just for the intro. I ripped it off. I really hope for most people's sake this is not their first impression of me, but if it is, hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl here with another video, Tierra. Don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, I'm not bald headed. I have a cap on and a very old. I did this hair on the 22nd of April and it's now June. So it is just time to do this over. I did the flip over method and I did hot glue gun for the first time. I don't know if I'm gonna do that again. What I do is I try to keep the shape of this as much as possible so that I can glue this onto a wig cap and wear it over again. This hair, I spend a lot of money on my hair. This hair has only been used once and it's from Triippy hair extensions. I'm not sure the exact name, but let me tell you that this hair is high quality. It is a little pricey, but it is some hair I think that can go a long way. I'd rather spend the money on my long siren hair and have it for 2-3 wears than any other thing. I think this lasted long, but look, you know when the whole thing start moving? It's time to take that shit out. Yes. We'll be using Dawn soap to get this off my head in the shower. I'm about to do that now. Yeah, because I got a lot of hair up underneath here and I didn't braid it. Ooh. Here's one. I do Dawn soap and then my regular conditioner, just some good old Pantene. These two right here will get you done every time. Let's take this off. So the first thing that I'm doing is wetting the cap. I use the protective layer on top of it, so I'm just getting that off. And then I'm using some Dawn soap to start this process. Getting this cap actually off my head. The Dawn soap gets this moving and pulled off in less than like 2-3 minutes. So this is a really quick process. You do have to let the Dawn soap do its thing. And boom, just like that, the cap is off. I think it took some of my hair too, but I don't care. I'm now undoing my braids because apparently I did have braids underneath here. It's just grown out that much. We love the growth, baby. So I'm finger detangling. I always use really big braids, and also I make sure that my hair is super detangled before I put it underneath so it's easy to come undone. And look at me being lazy. Just an attitude, always. I hate doing my hair. It's like the whole process, the water, the wearing the shirt for the video, sensory nightmare. I'm now splitting my hair into 4 quadrants. It's just easier for me in general. I like to go right behind my ear for the first square, and then I'll use my alligator clips. This ensures that I'm able to get my hair actually fully washed. Now I'm doing an entire layer of Dawn soap just on the top of my head first before I start breaking down each section and shampooing my hair from there. Any glue or anything that might have gotten through, this will just give it some extra protection to get all of that off. And then it just slides straight out really simply. From here, I'm also finger detangling a little bit, and then I'll be using my Denman brush. Each quadrant got 2 to 3 washes. And when you are getting down to those roots, make sure that you're using the palms of your fingers and not your nails so you're not scraping your scalp. There's the good old dimming brush. I've had this for 10 years and it still does everything it needs to do. Because I've had these braids in for so long, I had to comb it out during the showering process instead of just the conditioning process. I had to make sure that I actually washed my hair and detangled it during the shampoo process, which I normally don't do, but I had so much buildup that I had to do 2 rounds of detangling, so I did it during the shampooing as well as conditioning. Six weeks is a long time and really the most that I can go. My hair puffs up really easily and I have a low bandwidth for my scalp not being scratched, so I be sticking combs and everything in my head, and then you add a little dirt in there and a little sweat. Oh my god, it's too much. So I'm surprised I made it the whole 6 weeks. Beautiful, beautiful curls. Make sure you separate the hair if you have denser hair to make sure you're getting all of the dirt out, and make sure you like examine and look at your scalp. Taking some cute selfies. Follow me on Instagram. I told you I wash my hair 2 to 3 times for each quadrant. And you know, on average, you lose 100 strands of hair per day, so imagine that times 6 weeks. Get all of that hair out. Okay, back. Period. Arms too. What? Okay, get my edges growing back. Look at me not having a good time. This is my favorite part, using the handheld to just add more pressure and hot water to my head. Oh, it feels so good. Now from here, the last step that I'm doing for today is the conditioner. I leave it in for about an hour and I put a bag over my head. So we're just adding all of this conditioner in, and then I let my own body heat work with the conditioner to deep condition the hair. And then I do wash it out same day and make sure I thoroughly rinse it. And that is all that I have for you guys for part 1. This process takes me about 8 hours altogether, so you guys just seen the first 2 hours. Yes, I was wearing a shirt for that long. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys all tomorrow in part 2. Bye, guys.